Hello, everyone. Today we are coming from Lancaster County in Columbia. We're going to go and check out and see. I think they have it's called St. Charles Furnace down the way, so we're going to see if we can go find it. Cool little paintings on the building over there. Maybe we'll check them out too. Some drawings here of the town. Pretty cool. Alright, so I got a little distracted. I thought this building was pretty cool. Bootleg Antiques. A nice little antique shop here. So yeah, pretty cool building. Also saw this along the way, an old antique, looks like a baler they use for hay or straw. You can see on the other side here. Looks like they maybe spread out the straw when after they cut it too. No, it's pretty, really old one. There's the inside. Okay, so I was coming to the trail, and if you hear, but I hear a train. We're gonna wait and see. Coming down here, Norfolk Southern uses these tracks, and they also are shared by Amtrak. I don't know if any Amtrak's running right now because of everything going on, but yeah, it's coming. That was perfect timing. Yep, that's Norfolk Southern. Got 3 engines pulling that one. think I counted like 19 cars on that. There you have it. Got to see a train. There's an old boxcar just sitting there. You guys can see, look at all, those are all railroad ties sitting over there. Looks like old ones that they might have replaced. Look, they're all railroad ties. Huh. And then down there, they got a couple, looks like tracks and more ties down that way. All right, so as I'm walking the trail now, this is the Lancaster County Rail say that again. Lancaster County Rail Trail, or River Trail, whatever, however, I think there's two names for it. But according to where this place is, I'm about 3 minutes away. So I'm gonna come down here and see if we can find it. And it was closer than I thought. So here it is. Really overgrown. But that is called the St. Charles Furnace. I'm not going to go all the way in because it doesn't look really sturdy. As you can see up there, the splitting right there. But I'm going to go in and give you guys a little bit look, see? That's the first one that I could actually go into, actually. That's pretty cool. We'll go down here and I think there's another way into it. Yeah, looks like back in here. Yep. There you have it. I think they had something here too. It looked like maybe another building right here. Do you see the foundation? There. It is. The path that goes down there somewhere. Oh, we'll head back down. Oh, that was a leaf. We'll head back down and we'll see what we can find. Whoa. Just gonna take a quick peek. And there it is. Very cool. Very cool. All right, we're moving on. Well, there you have it. That's the St. Charles Furnace on the rail trail. I don't think I'm going down any further. There is supposed to be like a tunnel or like a rock bridge or rock tunnel further down, the other way, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to go back in town, see what I can find, maybe take some more pictures along the river, and maybe go to another location. But mainly wanted to come and check that out. So we found it. It was cool to go into and see, but we'll continue to see what else we can run into. Well, here you have like a little stream. Oh, it was a stream that goes out to the river. And there is looks like a walk path back there, but I don't think it really goes anywhere. There's an old bridge. The old bridge stood right there. As you can see, like the foundations of it. That's pretty cool. And there's one back in there you can see. But really muddy here. I don't really have proper shoes to go back there. So I think this is where we're going to end the video. So hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun. I don't know too much information about that furnace, but I might do a video on it. I did 3 furnaces already. I might gather information on them and do a video on it if I can find information on it. So that will do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on our next adventure. And everyone, thank you again, everyone, for watching our videos. We really appreciate it, and we thank you for the support. See you next time.